Hello everyone, my name is Dhawale Pallavi. Our today's topic name is interviewer question based upon control statement and conditional statement. First question is what is meant by conditional statement? Conditional statement is used and helps to make a decision basis on certain condition. It having boolean expressions. It gives only true or false value. Then there are three types of conditional statement: logical and, logical or ternary operator. The next question is what are the conditional types? Then there are three main types: logical and, logical or ternary operator. The next question is explain the types of conditional operator. The first type is logical and. Logical and executed when both are condition is true, and it must have both condition are true. Then logical or is used when our if we can check only one condition is true or another condition is false, then we can use logical or. Only one condition is true, then logical or code is executed, or then other part goes to the false statement. Then third is ternary operator. Ternary operator used when when we use ternary operator, if we write the code on a single statement or single line, then we can use the ternary operator. Then next question is what are the control statement? Control statement control the flow of Java program. um, uh, Control the some statement are called as control statement. Java having three main types of control statement. First is called as decision making statement, second is called as loop statement, and third is called as jump statement. Firstly we will discuss the what is mean by decision making statement. What are the types of decision making statement? Decision making statement is when we can take decisions on certain condition or both of condition. Then there are two main types of decision making statement. First is if statement, and second is a switch statement. Firstly we will discuss what is if statement. If statement is used to no, its statement if executed when if statement block code is executed. It gives only boolean expression value, means it code is run, then it give us to true value, and otherwise go to the else part. Then if statement having four types of statement. First is simple if, next is if else, third is else if ladder, and fourth is nested if else. First simple if give us two boolean expression value. If code is executed, then he sends a true value. Or next is if else statement. If else statement, if a block of code is run, then they will be print true value, it gives a true value, or otherwise it goes to the false statement. In that case, if else statement, only one part is must be executed. And third statement is else if ladder. Else if ladder is used to we can take multiple if else under the else if ladder. Then last one is nested if else. Nested if else used to take multiple if in one program. And then next is loop statement. Loop statement having three types of loop statement. First is while loop, next is do while loop, and third is while loop, do while loop, and for loop. For loop and while loop having same perform. In for loop, we can take some for